Brian Tenore here for Design Para Sa Lahat. Small teaser for you guys. We're here in Cebu at Coast Pacific, and I'm here with May. And look at this small thing I've discovered. It's really exciting, especially during these last few days of really bad floods, especially in Marikina, Provident Village, my hometown. Hi to everyone there. Super nice furniture. This is furniture made by Coast Pacific, and what's really good about it, it's made out of plastic. Pero hindi siya plastic, anong tawag natin?
Polyethylene.
Polyethylene. Hindi siya nababaha. At kung actually, nababaha siya, pero hindi siya nasisira sa baha. Look at that. It's woven plastic, hand woven.
Yes.
Pag nabasa to o naputikan, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay sabunin.
Yes.
Punasan sabunin.
Sabunin, tapos brush.
Brush. So ganyan. Pero akala mo pang outdoor lang siya. Hindi. Pwede siyang indoor furniture. Like check this set out. Super nice. Look at the fantastic big weaves. Look at that. Normally you see this weave in small places, small furniture, but this one is fantastic. And I wanted to see more of the other modern designs. Like this guy is really extremely fantastic. Check that out. Modern na modern. At ang gaan-gaan. I can raise one half with one arm. So maybe one full set with two arms. And this one is fantastic also. You think it's just limited to really classic designs. No! Look at this drawer set.
Yes, drawer.
Super nice. Ang gaan-gaan. Pag nabaha ka, Diyos ko, sasabunin mo lang yan. Diba? Pumasok. Okay, umaksesa na ito para matching. And lastly, my favorite one, here, if you can follow me here. Hindi lang siya palaging one color. It could be made to match what you have already in your furniture or furnishing. Look at this beautiful set. Isang kamay lang, kayang-kaya. So pag binaha to, aanurin lang ng konti, as long nakalaki mo yung bahay nyo, alog-alog lang siya. Pero virtually hindi siya nasisira, hindi nasisira sa tubig at nagamit maraming taon. So I'll see you soon in our design episode for Cebu in a few months. This is Brian Tenore for Design Para Sa Lahat. Check our website out, designparasalahat.com.